Hi, I'm Mykail Arisa and I'm your friendly value mate, which is a name I got from friends based on how I give out valuable information. So I'm someone that believes so much in value-based content marketing, and that has guided me with the strategies that I employ whenever planning out, marketing campaigns for clients. So what I do is I do email campaign management, and I'm also a funnel strategist or a brand strategist. So what we do with funnels is just simply we just trying to map out the customer journey prior to the customers getting on those flow, and then we tend to help them, give them a guided direction that they can follow for them to be able to move from one point, especially when they are not customers, when they are potential clients, to when they become buying customers. So the stages that they go through or the journey they take is what we call a funnel, and that's what I help clients build out. I'm from Abia State, Nigeria, and I've been doing this for the past 3 to 4 years thereabout. When I got to know about this opportunity from Kenny in one of the groups I am in, I just thought about it to myself. The whole remote work experience is one that is designed that you don't have those human connections. And I thought about it and I thought to myself, well, what's there? I mean, to have like work in a setting where you get other like-minded people to be able to interact with you and, offer solution and share ideas, if possible, develop products that might even help making the lives of remote workers like myself a little bit better. So fun is relative, but for me, what I do for fun is music. I make music. So I'm a mix engineer, and I've also done stage mixing and a little bit of FOH when I was in Daystar, Lagos, Nigeria. So FOH is just front of house mixing. It's just those people that just do those faders and all of those things just to make it come out to your speaker when you're in church, and the music that you hear, the sweet one. There are people that actually make sure that it's at a good listening experience for you. And that's what I do for fun. I mean, I've had passion for music for God knows since I was a child. So I mean, what else can be fun if not music?